Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech. Today in my video, I'm gonna give you the overview about the complete project I have developed in Laravel 6, which is the latest version nowadays. The link of the complete project will be given in the description. You can download it after watching my video. Let's start the feature of code overview of Laravel 6 project one by one. But stay tuned for my upcoming video series in which I will describe the code in detail. First of all, let me tell you about all the features of this complete project. Here is the complete list of all the features of Laravel 6. You can see the feature of login and a user can be registered. A user has the option of reset password and it also we can delete it. He can create the record, update the record, and user can also delete the record through forms. And furthermore, there is an option of search. Admin panel of Laravel 6 has also been described. I will discuss its detail in my upcoming video. Through database, record has been shown into tables. Authentication has been used, mail-in and migration have been used, and Javascript and Fort Awesome and Bootstrap 4 have also been used. It's all the overview of features which is available in this project. Let me tell you one by one and demonstrate you. First of all, here is the page of login. A user can log in into admin panel and he can reset his password. So before login and forgot, let's make a user account. While making a user account, I will tell you its complete authentication, that which checks have been applied. First of all is the name. You can use any name. Now I am going to add a wrong email as a type of an email of irrelevant format. Password must contain at least 8 characters and I add less than 8 characters and I also give confirm password. You can add any date of birth. I gave 29 February 1991 for instance. And then as I click on register, so the system will show an error message that email is not valid. Now I add the correct email. gmail.com. Now I click on register. The system shows that format of date is invalid. Now I add the correct date format. I again click on register. Then the system shows that the password length should be of at least 8 characters. After giving password, if I give wrong confirm password, then system shows that password and confirm password are not matching. These all are the checks. Now I add the correct password of 8 characters. After giving password and confirm password, now I registered it. It's shown a message that verify the email address. If I show you by going into the database, then an account has been created in the table of users. You can see the status is 0 and it has generated the verified token. Still the user is not verified, so it has to be verified. If I show you by login, then it will not allow to login. In spite the account has been created. I give password and as I click on login, then it will give the message that please verify your email. After that you can log in. Because now I'm working on localhost, as you move on to remote server, you will receive an email. Settings of email are done for localhost. If you open your text editor and move on to the .env file, then you can see that I have set mail driver as a log. So when you will move on to the remote server, you can give it settings. If I open log file in log folder, let's find the log folder, and you can see the log file here. We will receive an email. Scroll down. I will copy this link and paste into the browser. Let's copy it and open your browser and paste into it. Hit enter, and you can see this: your account has been verified successfully. I tell you now about forgot password before login. Firstly, I give here an incorrect email which does not exist in our database. You can see that a message came, email not found. Now I give correct email at the rate 1 and click on reset button, and you can see that link of password reset sent in email. As I told you before, the log has been used. Scroll down and you can see that email has been received in log file. Copy reset link and again paste into your browser. Let's copy it and open your browser, paste it and hit enter. It opens page of email reset. Now I add password and then I give confirm password, then it takes to the admin panel page by resetting password. Now you can see that dashboard has been opened. In it, dummy data is added for the time. You can see the left bar and logout and some profile projects, clients, user registration and running projects can be seen. As I had told you that I added admin panel of Laravel 6. From now on we can see that which feature exists in it. You can see profile on the left side. It has detail and change password. There is project, add link of view and logout at the end, and the features of home and search on the top. When we see the profile detail, the complete profile of user can be seen, including his email, his date of birth. If we want to change the password, we can do that. For the authentication purposes, I am giving the old password but incorrect. So let me test and now give the new password, anything you want, and confirm it. And then when we click submit, you can see that your current password does not matches with the password you provided. Now I give correct old password. It checks of same registered in it. I give it new and confirm password, and let's see what happened now. New password, anything you want, and confirm password, click on submit, and you can see the message that password does not match, mean by mistaken I have given the wrong new password and confirm password, so I need to match again. Let's type again, password, confirm password, click on submit button. So passwords changed successfully. Now we click on add project. You can see a complete form. Let me click add, and you can see a complete form. These are all example fields. You can give form of your own choice. means you can add any fields, any column of your own choice. Here we can add date, any date of your want. Okay, and then any code can be added, 1 2 3 4. Any customer can be selected. I have added test customer. Let me show you in the database. Okay, here from here the drop down list is coming. Test company, select origin, test origin. We have to select the compulsory field, and you can see in first two rows we have to select all the fields and you can leave the rest. Select local, anything you want, PHP, Java, and let me add some remarks. You can add remarks of your own choice according to the project. So if I remove code and click on submit button, so you can see this system giving us a message that the code is empty. This is the required field, you have to add it. And then when I click on submit button, you can see this program added successfully, program or project, whatever you want. Now move to view on the sidebar. Click on view, you can see this. Click on it, and you can see this whole our added record is coming. All the fields we added, few of them is showing there. If we quickly add again another code, means if we want to add another record, just let me add quickly. We have to select all the compulsory fields, as you know, as I told before. So remarks is also compulsory. You can change it if you don't want remarks to be compulsory. Click on submit, and you can see the error message is that code has already been taken, means that previously I used the same code and I have made the restriction that you cannot use code again. It can't be duplicated, so we have to change it. You can change it anything you want. Click on submit, and message arrive, program added successfully. Now we can see in the view both records are coming, both projects have been added successfully. Let me open the editor. I'm also giving you the code overview. So open the app controller and open the program controller, and here you can see this all program logic has been controlled here. In my further videos I will make you understand its detail also. Let me show you the view files, means from where view is coming. In resources, views, you can see all the files, and let me show you this URL. Open editor and open view folder, admin view.blade.php. Here is the full code of that page. I will explain you in detail in my upcoming videos. So don't go anywhere, subscribe my channel, stay in touch. You can also download that whole source code. So let me show you another file that is called web.php file. We have to go in the routes folder where it is routes. Here we go, routes and web.php. Here is the file web.php, and that is very important file in Laravel any version, especially Laravel 6. And here you can see the code. I will explain you in detail each and everything about it. So now I should open the detail page. Let me open to the browser and click on the any code you want to open the detail. Click on it, and you can see all the detail is coming that what we added in the form, test company, and remarks you have added. We can add, delete or cancel it, anything you want. You might need to change the details, so you can add it easily. There is no problem. As I have shown you the list of features, you can update any record and you can do many things. So let me edit the record. Click on edit button. The whole form will be loaded with the edit details. Let me change some things. You can change anything you want, no problem at all. Let me change some remarks. So click on submit. Successfully updated, and when I open it, as you can see, remarks has been changed. So everything has been updated, changed now. So that's all from the edit portion. So if you want to edit delete the record, so that will ask for the confirmation if you really want to delete. So let me show you again. Click on delete and that code will be arrived. Click on confirm. Successfully deleted. So the record has been deleted. Message of access wrong page came because I have applied checks, so that if I have give wrong URL, then this message comes. It considered wrong link because record was deleted. There are all checks have been applied in program controller. In my upcoming videos, I will tell you in detail about these checks, authentication, etc. etc. If I open view page, you can see that only one record has been remained. So if you open it, and you can see all the detail. Basically, it is a project of average level in which average functionalities has been covered. A beginner and average level of Laravel developer can enjoy the code. So in the features, I try to cover many things, many functionalities. You can easily see the whole source code, and I will describe it in detail in my upcoming videos. You will get the link in the description, so no problem at all. Now come back towards dashboard. If you will add any incorrect URL, then the system will send you back into the dashboard. Take a look into it. Enter. System will send you back into the dashboard. Now I tell you about search, that if you search any code, it will show you the results of search. So type some code here. Let me see what code I should enter. Okay, 1 2 3 4 anything, and here you can see the results of your search, and you can see the URL as well has been changed, and you can delete here also, so no problem at all. Click on detail and the same record is coming. I have tried my level best to make you understand. Moreover, you can see its link in description for downloading. And that's all the feature I tried to cover in my project, so I can make this project into the advanced level. After downloading, you have to do one thing, let me tell you. So I have already downloaded it. So go on the source code env file, you have to rename it. You have to remove the underscore from env, then you will be able to run the project. I have already changed the name, so no problem at my end. You have to do it. Thank you so much for watching my video. Goodbye, see you soon in my next videos. Take care, have a good day.